Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Hummer H3. This four-door SUV has a 5-cylinder, 3.7-liter i5 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Hummer has less than 257,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, tow hooks, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.